how to add a featured channel to your YouTube channel in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to your browser and then search for the youtube.com, and after searching for the youtube.com you come to this page, and then what you have to do is you have to click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then you have to request the desktop site. And when you click on the desktop site, request the desktop site, it will load for some time. And when it loading process is completed, what you have to do, you have to click on the profile picture in the top right corner, and then click on the your channel. And after clicking to your channel, you come to this page, and here you can see the customize channel. You have to customize channel in the top of the page. You have to click on the customize channel, and when you click on the customize channel, you come to this page. You are directly sent to the YouTube Studio Chrome version, and then it will loads for some time. And here you can see the featured section. You have to click on the featured section. In the featured section, right side you can see the add section. You have to click on the add section. When you click on the add section, you can see in the bottom of the option you can see the featured channels. You have to click on the featured channels, and then you can add the section title like the best tech channel, like this. And then you can search for the any of the channel that you want to add. Like I choose this one, and then you can, and then you have to type for the those YouTube channel. And then when you type for the YouTube channel, then what you have to do is you have to you have to click fill the box by the red tick, you can see the, and then you have to click on the done. And then you have to choose the channel, and then here you can see that you have added this channel. So that's it. If you want to add or another channel, then you have to click on the featured channel, and then you can choose the type any of the title that you want, best channel. And then you can best channel, and then you have to type any channel on YouTube, and then you can type the channel name, and then you can also type this you can all select the all the channels that you want, and you can select the many channels as you want. So after selecting the channels, you have to click on the done. You have to click on the done, and now you have added also this channel. So that's it, that how you can add. And if you want to remove this channel from the featured channel, you have to click on the three dots, and then you have to click on the remove section, and then you can see the this a featured channel is removed. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.